I gotta say my mind, man. One, two, see.
Vote for me for 2019 presidency. My brother, go and cast your vote. The next president, 2019. I'll take up your girlfriend, your wife, your children. Of course.
Don't get office, even get cashier. Now the new post they gave us is lazy youth. Laptop where you never press, how you want to get. National Assembly, surveillance get pillow. And even sleeping allowance supposed to.
That is it. Why are you not school? Don't worry, I will make everything free. Free school fees, free food, free anything you want, I will make it free.
Mr. President.
Mrs. President.
Oh, now that you finally won the election, first of all, let me congratulate you for the election and the stress and everything you went through. So, congratulations. So, about the promises you made to people, how are you going to say?
First of all, let me say a very big thank you to all of them, man. The promise is always promise. I will always promise them and I will also fulfill it. You understand?
Because this is a live TV.
Okay.
There are too many people watching you right now. Let me just say the whole world is watching you right now. They want to hear and they want to know how you intend to make up the promises because...
No problem. It is written in the constitution like that after the election they always swear an oath. So let's swear an oath.
Oh, you are even ready to swear an oath?
Of course.
Even if the people want you to go to the 4 junction to swear an oath?
4 junction. I'll think about it.
Okay.
About the 4 junction.
According to the constitution, if you win an election like this, you have to take an oath so that you can fulfill your promises. This is the first section of the constitution, so put your hand on this Bible and repeat after me. And this is the first section of the oath taking. So help me God.
Mr. President, this is the second session of the oath taking.
The second session.
I hope you are not scared.
No, I'm not scared. I'm okay.
Okay, let's invite the person in charge so we can...
I'm ready to swear anything. Call the person. I'm the president of this country. I'm not scared of anything. Let them come.
Mr. President, whether Mr. President or Baba President, I don't care. The main reason I came here is about the election. They said that you won the election. Is it true?
Uncle President, I won the election before, but this one you are here, I don't understand.
I don't need but.
Why are you telling me but? You need to follow me to the 4 junction and swear an oath.
Take this thing and follow me to 4 junction and swear.
This is not what I need to rule this country.
I said take it.
I did not want the election. You won the
I said
election.
take this thing and follow me to 4 junction and swear.
Take it now.
You enjoy yourself with this thing, I don't need it.
Are you questioning the God?
Welcome back. Information just reached us now that the supposed president has dropped his post due to the fact that he was asked to swear an oath and as requested by the people and he refused to swear an oath. Now we don't know what's happening, we don't know anything now. Just stay tuned for the next update.
This is not what I need to rule this country. You enjoy yourself with this thing, I don't need it.